Hello and a very good evening to all of you. કેમ છો? ચિરંતના ભટ્ટ ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે ડિજિટલ એડિટર તમારું ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત કરું છું. તો આજે સાંજે આપણે એક બહુ જ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ મ્યુઝિશિયનને મળવાના છે. એ મ્યુઝિશિયન છે, એમણે જિંગલ્સ ગાયા છે, એ મ્યુઝિક ક્રિએટ કરે છે. મહેશ જયરામન નામ છે એમનું, અને એમને મળવાનું એક સ્પેસિફિક રીઝન છે. હું કહું તમને, હવે પેલું ગીત સાંભળ્યું છે, કहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, પણ મને એ ગીત જુદી રીતે ગાતા આવડે છે. ટ્રાય, હું સારું નથી ગાતી, પણ લેટ મી ટ્રાય ધીસ. સો टन टना टन 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 तारा चलती है क्या 9 से 12 બસ હું અહીંયા અટકી જઈશ. પણ આ જે તમે ક્વર્કીનેસ સાંભળી ને, કે સલમાન ખાનનું ટન ટના ટન 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 તારા આપણે રાજેશ ખન્નાના ગંભીર ટોનમાં જે ગવાયેલું ગીત છે, રાજેશ ખન્ના જેમાં સ્ક્રીન પર છે, એ સુરમાં આ શબ્દો, આવું કંઈક ક્વર્કી કોન્ટેન્ટ એમણે ક્રિએટ કર્યું છે લોકડાઉનમાં. બરાબર 6 વાગે આપણી સાથે જોડાશે અને આપણે એમની સાથે કરીશું બહુ જ બધી વાતો. એક વોઇસ ઓવર સિંગર એમણે રણવીર સિંહ માટે પણ વોઇસ ઓવર કર્યો છે.
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
ગુડ કેમ છો?
एकदम मजामा.
तो आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि हम गुजराती में बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे ताकि हम आपकी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वर्की क्रिएटिविटी को ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दे सकें. तो
जरूर
तो
जर्रा नवाजी जरूर.
आई थिंक आपने अपने लॉकडाउन को बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया
जी.
और फिर आपने दूसरों के लॉकडाउन को भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच. गुजराती मिड डे डिजिटल इज रियली थैंकफुल टू यू बिकॉज आप हमारी शाम में क्वर्कीनेस ऐड करने वाले हैं और हम बहुत क्यूरियस हैं उसको लेकर. तो सबसे पहले एक सवाल जो बहुत ही क्लीशेड है, बट यस, मैं यही लाइन के साथ ये सवाल मेरे हर गेस्ट को पूछती हूँ कि क्या किया लॉकडाउन में?
First of all, thank you so much, Midday Gujarati, the entire organization. Thank you, Chirantana Bhatt, for inviting me for this conversation. And a big hi to all the Gujaratis in the house. Lockdown has been a great journey for me. And it's somewhere got and tapped all the unblocked energies out of my body, and it is transferred into some creativities, some music, some form of a creativity where people can just listen to it and feel happy and good humor and move ahead in life. That's what has happened.
पहले हम ऑफ कोर्स आपने जो किया उसकी बात तो जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन पहले आप थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताएं, बिकॉज आई नो दैट आपने बहुत सारे टेलीविजन सीरियल के लिए भी गाया है, आपने रणवीर सिंह के लिए भी आवाज दी है, उसकी एक एड में आपने वीओ किया है उसके लिए. तो आपके कुछ ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, आपकी जो जर्नी रही है आपकी प्रोफेशन में, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज.
जरूर. मुंबई कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ पर ही एजुकेशन किया. सो बीएससी स्टैटिस्टिक्स, एमबीए मार्केटिंग, 6 साल मीडिया में भी काम किया हूँ. और फिर 2014 से मैंने पूर्णतया म्यूजिक में अपने आप को ढालने की ठान ली, और जो अब तक वो जर्नी बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस हैज बीन डिसेंट एंड स्मूथ. एंड कहीं ना कहीं लॉकडाउन शायद थोड़ा सा आप लोगों की वजह से और लोगों की वजह से, श्रोताओं की वजह से थोड़ा सा हल्का सा एक्सेलरेशन, कहीं पता नहीं गॉड्स गिफ्ट जैसा आया है मेरे लिए. तो उसका मैं शुक्रगुजार रहा हूँ. और जर्नी ऐसी रही है कि म्यूजिक बचपन से था. माँ गाती है, मौसी गाती है, तो घर पर गाने का माहौल है. तो उसकी वजह से अगेन थैंक्स टू दोज जीन्स दैट प्रोबेबली हैज कम इनटू मी, एंड उस चीज को मैं जरूर बरकरार रखने की कोशिश ताउम्र करूंगा. या आई हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ सारेगामा, कॉलेज स्पेशल, अंताक्षरी, कुछ कहती है ये धुन, स्टार यार कलाकार, some of these reality shows of those. So music has always been there, and then from 2014 I moved completely into this industry, with starting with voiceovers, jingles, and then slowly, steadily live shows, and have sung for a movie, but it's not yet out. So short films and all those kind of areas I've tried to. And yes, last year I had sung in Cerejo for one of the Reliance ads. And of course, Chirantan Bhatt also is a great composer. I've sung with him. So all these. so, so all these things kept on adding in through the journey. And yes, here I am. And before the lockdown, as it was a cause, it was a concern, because there's going to be a gap in terms of the volume of the work that you would be doing, and you had to keep yourself active in terms of whatever the content that you have and the creativity that you have to deliver, and to keep sustaining in terms of at least your mind. You're not bothered about what other things, other aspects. So mentally, I wanted to keep on doing something which is which goes hand in hand with me and with the situation around us, and also be it as organic as possible, so that everybody should feel that it is like a big boss journey, and we're gonna get through this journey. We all will get through this journey. So yeah, that was the intent.
So Mahesh, tell us that what you have done. आपने जो किया है कि पुरानी धुन और आधुनिक और ट्रेंडी गानों के वर्ड्स को जो एक सिंक में लाना, कहाँ से, मतलब कैसे सोच लेते हो भाई? Quite crazy. See, I'll tell you something. As a kid, I remember my brother and I, we used to translate Hindi songs in Gujarati and sing them.
Oh.
I very clearly remember कह दो कि तुम हो मेरी वरना जीना नहीं यहाँ है मर, I still remember that in Gujarati. But
wow,
this is like next level. Like what you have done is very difficult, because like you see Salman in Tandan Tara, and you see the Dukhi Rajesh Khanna looking at the sunset, and there is a visual, there is music, there is lyrics. God, कितनी इंद्रियों को कहाँ से, मतलब कितने तारों को जोड़ना पड़ता है? How?
Very good question. And I think I've always believed in one thing, is we are what we are, but we are also what we are behind who've been taking care of us. Very important in life. हमारी गुरु शक्तियां जो है वो सबसे they're the most constructive and the strengthful part of our lives, be it in anything, in any walks of life. So ये श्रेय मैं मेरे कॉलेज के प्रोफेसर श्री अजय कामले जी सर को देना चाहूंगा, because we would do a lot of projects like these for different college fests, like Malhar for Xavier's, Sophia's, Kaleidoscope, NM college का उमंग फेस्टिवल होते थे, and then Jashne Rizvi. So a lot of these fests would happen where music was anyways, singing competitions was anyways a part of that. We'll be singing ghazals, or we'll be singing other Bollywood songs. That was anyways a part of it. But there was also one separate section where which would be known as Geetantar. उसको गीतांतर कहते हैं, twist the tune कहते हैं, जहाँ पर वही आपको टेस्ट करता है कि आपको एक गाने के लिरिक्स को दूसरे गाने के ट्यून पर उसी मूड में और उसी जोन पर आपको गाना है और उसको प्रस्तुत करना है. तो वो कॉलेज में वो उसका रियाज काफी हुआ है अपने लोगों के साथ. तो वो शायद that's been a good.
तो ये लॉकडाउन क्रिएटिविटी में सबसे पहले कौन सा गाना था जो आपने बनाया था?
पहला गाना मोदी जी ने जब मोदी जी ने पहली बार जब उन्होंने कहा कि 21 दिन का लॉकडाउन,
जी जी
एंड सो इट जस्ट केम ऑन टू माई माइंड, वो जो गाना है कि वादा करोगे तुम छोड़ो न मेरा, दैट वन. सो आई, द मोमेंट इट वाज अनाउंस्ड 21 days, तो आई वाज लाइक, वादा करो नहीं बाहर जाओगे तुम आज,
ओके
मोदी जी की सुनो, लॉकडाउन का पालन करो, छू नहीं जरा पीछे रखो हाथ, सैनिटाइज करो, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग करो. So that's how it started.
started
So I termed it as a lockdown song, and I put it on Facebook, and I got a good review, and people started liking it. So so that's how it's all started. Yeah.
Okay. And then this Geetantar thing that you started. तो सबसे पहले कौन सा गाना बना था शिकार?
Everybody was trying to put content, and everybody was singing. Even I started singing कुछ ghazals and everything. But then कहीं वो बोलता ना, अंदर से वो जो आर्टिस्ट है वो उसको कुछ ना कुछ करना है, डिफरेंट करना है. यार तो हो ही रहा है, तो ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो, ऐसे क्या कर रहे हो कि कुछ
अलग क्या
आपको something has to be different. And it just came on to my mind कि why not sing these Geetantars, because there's some humor part of it. There is singing, of course.
Yeah, absolutely.
There is singing, there is humor, there is something, and हाँ थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ी बहुत छेड़खानी हो सकती है, जो थोड़ा सा बहुत थिन लाइन होता है. बट आई डिडंट केयर अबाउट इट. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, मतलब आई वाज लाइक थिंकिंग कि देयर इज नो लॉस एंड नो गेन, व्हाट यू से, देयर इज नो ऐसा जोन है कि नो विन सिचुएशन है, देयर इज नो इशू एज सच, लाइक कुछ हाँ वैसे. तो लेट मी शेयर इट. सो फर्स्ट वाज आई पुट ए क्या बोलती तू, जो खंडाला का गाना है
जी.
उसको रोजा जाने मन पर मैंने गाया.
इरशाद हो जाए.
So it was like ए क्या बोलती तू, ए क्या मैं बोलूं, सुन सुनाती क्या खंडाला, क्या करूं आके मैं खंडाला, अरे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या.
Wow, you're taking care of the meter also. मतलब जो पिच पे जा रहा है तार सप्तक में, उसका भी आपने मतलब परफेक्टली मीटर का ध्यान रखा है. वाव.
करेक्ट.
और फिर तो आपने ये शुरू किया. आई एम श्योर हम और गाने भी आपसे सुनेंगे, बट आप फिर गाने कैसे चूज करते हैं? बिकॉज एक बहुत ही नॉटी सा गाना, एक बहुत ही ठहराव वाले गाने पर, या ऐसा कुछ, हाउ डू यू चूज कि कौन से दो गानों की शादी करवाई जाए?
Absolutely, the marriage is the most important part of this, and I think it's always an added advantage if you're a singer. The tune is always there in your head, somewhere or the other. जो सुर है वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके जहन में चलते रहते हैं.
जी.
So तो उस बात को, so it's like आपका एक छोर आपके आपके साथ कहीं पकड़ा हुआ है, आपने पकड़ा है किसी एक छोर को, so that's like an anchor for you. So the next part is the lyrics. So next part is lyrics. So always it has to go hand in hand and in tandem with what you are singing. True. And it has to be in meter also, so that when you presenting it, it will sound a little quirky or little different, but it will be like going with that flow, because आप नए कपड़े पहना रहे, उस आत्मा को आप नए कपड़े पहना रहे हो, something like that, something. so I'm just thinking wild, so maybe so that has to be taken care of. So but yeah, so tune एक बार आपके अगर दिमाग में आ जाए और lyrics आपके सामने हो, तो you can try and sing it. Like for example, अभी मैंने latest I just put it on Facebook, that is अपुन बोला तू मेरी लैला, वो बोली फेंकता है साला, अपुन जब भी, उसको अगर आप कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो. So now the exercise is you'll have to listen to कुछ ना कहो in your ears, and you sing Apun Bola simultaneously.
बेसिकली जिसको टू टाइमिंग आता है, ये वो बंदा ये चीज डेफिनेटली कर सकता है.
So,
Listen to your wife and say things to your girlfriend times.
अरे but I'm single यार.
No, I'm just telling that ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि अच्छा ये होता क्या है. और टू टाइमिंग
Okay. So which means correct. Which means there is some hope for me. Okay, I got that.
तो प्लीज सुनाइए.
So I was keeping listening to it. So it like अपुन बोला तू मेरी लैला वो बोली फेंकता है साला अपुन जब भी सच्ची बोलता है ये उसको झूठ काय को लगता है ये उसका स्टाइल होएगा होठों पे ना दिल में हाँ होएगा ये उसका स्टाइल होएगा होठों पे ना दिल में हाँ होएगा. So yeah, so that's how we.
This is difficult. I mean, I was continuously, saying the lyrics of Kuch Na Kaho in my mind because I have the visual also. वो बड़ी सी library में अनिल कपूर and मनीषा कोइराला. Oh God, ये कितना difficult है. मतलब हाँ आपने कहा, but आपने already काफी more than 5-7 songs you have created, right?
Yeah.
तो but फंबल होता होगा, आप ओरिजिनल गाना गा लेते होंगे प्रैक्टिस से पहले, ऐसे सब क्या दिक्कतें क्या आती है?
For me, in the lockdown period, it's like, when the going gets tougher, the tougher gets going. So lockdown has surely helped me some way or the other. So yes, but I think it's also to do with, you keep on, music is such that आप नहा रहे हो, ब्रश कर रहे हो, खा रहे हो, या कुछ भी कर रहे हो, it keeps on that वो चलता रहता है back of the mind, it keeps on going. So once if मैंने सोच लिया कि ये करना है तो फिर वो 24 hours, it just gets into my psyche.
You are in that zone.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, I'm in that zone. So that is very important. Maybe.
Before you joined us, I was telling our viewers that वो टन तारा, I mean Salman Khan and एक तरफ राजेश खन्ना. We would like to hear that. Then
okay, sure. एक बार से दिल नहीं भरता मुड़ के देख मुझे दोबारा टन टन तारा टन टना टन 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 तारा चलती है क्या 9 से 12 9 से 12 सुना है तेरे चाहने वाले आगे 10 है पीछे 12 टन टना टन 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 तारा.
Your voice is very close to Mukesh ji's voice, so especially when you sing this, तो लगता है अच्छा राजेश खन्ना शायद यही गा रहा था. So, wow. So कौन सा गाना करने में आपको बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुई कि यार ये करना तो है ही मुझे, बट ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है? एक हुई थी,
एक बड़ा ही पेचीदा प्रोजेक्ट था हमारे लिए. Kaleidoscope is the fest for SOFAS,
right.
SOFA College.
Yeah.
So अब वहां पर ऐसा उन्होंने किया था कि अभी हिंदी गानों का तो आप कर लोगे टू द ट्यून. उन्होंने कहा कि इंग्लिश गाना आपको कोई, हाँ, तो इंग्लिश गाना उठाओ और उसको आप एक क्लासिकल हिंदी गाना या कोई सेमी क्लासिकल हिंदी गाने को के ट्यून पर आप बिठाओ और उसको प्रेजेंट कीजिए, ये उनकी शर्त थी। तो काफी लोगों ने तो मतलब अब बोले कहाँ ये सब करने बैठे हैं, नो अब हिंदी में जो है सही है उसको बैठ के हम करते हैं, व्हाई टू अननेसेसरली go into something which which will take time or whatever. You don't know what is going to happen times. But we as a group of we really held high. We said let's take this as a challenge, and we all decided that we'll completely be in attires of pure classical, attires the way classical singers would sit, in with a tabla or a harmonium. And we'll sing "Waiting for Tonight" of Jennifer Lopez song.
Okay.
So this is the song "Waiting for Tonight" when you would. तो इसको हमने दरबारी राग में झनक झनक तोरी बाजे पायलिया पर ढाला था। हाँ, तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा था। We all sat and together and tried to do this, but end result was very good, and we bagged the first prize also.
Wow!
Very fortunately.
Wow.
So
Please.
So this was the very difficult.
All yours.
So
I want to listen to
sure,
it.
I'll do that. Waiting for tonight when you would be here in my arms. Waiting for tonight when you would be here in my arms. I have dreamt of this love for so long. Waiting for tonight when you would be here in my arms. Tender words you say take my breath away. Mabada nizare dare dani babada nizare re 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 sare nizare dani za padani ma padani zare ga ma re za dani pa. Love me now and leave me never. Found a sacred place lost in your embrace. I wanna stay in this forever. Gone are the days when the sun used to set. With my empty heart all alone in my bed. Tossing and turning emotions were strong. I knew I had to hold on, waiting for tonight when you would be here in my.
Oh my God! This is next level. Oh my God, Mahesh. Oh, I don't have words. I mean, I don't know what to say. Wow. मतलब ये लॉकडाउन में जो किया है वो तो बच्चा है आपके लिए। लाइक हाँ ठीक है, वो बचपन में जब खेलते हैं ना हाइड एंड सीक, तो जो छोटे बच्चे उनको बोलते हैं आप कच्चा नींबू हो, तो इट्स व्हाट यू हैव डन इन लॉकडाउन इज कच्चा नींबू, बट दिस इज लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल, दिस इज ओलंपिक्स. Gosh, that was amazing. Thank you. Wow. So tell us more about, because see the situation is tricky. हम थोड़ा serious बात करते हैं फिर से, then we'll go back to the songs again.
Yeah, of course.
Because
of course.
I want to listen to everything.
Sure.
So, lockdown is very tricky. People are getting tense. People are worried. You are also someone who works on freelance basis. Projects आना, delay होना. What will you tell people, especially to artist community, कि वो थोड़ा इंसेंट टाइम में अपने दिमाग को थोड़ा सेन रखे, कुछ भी गलत कदम ना उठाए, और बिकॉज हाँ सिचुएशंस ट्रिकी हैं, बट आई बिलीव आर्ट और कर्म, बेसिकली आपका जो भी कर्मा है, दैट स्टैंड्स that is always there with you, it stands by you. So what would you tell to your community?
See, first of all, I'm just a particle in this huge universe, so for me to even talk about something, because there are huge legends outside, you're also a huge celebrity journalist, So I feel happy that you are interviewing me.
Nothing, nothing like that.
So,
Thank you.
so I'm just a particle. I'm just a small particle. But what I've always followed, my mother would always tell me that सामने वाले की अच्छाई पकड़ो, बुराई छोड़ दो. And from every negative situation, if you can try and get something positive out of it, that's how, we can always try and move, from one place to another.
Yeah.
So that's always kept me sane some way or the other. So mother's blessings has always been there. So yeah.
और आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं. प्लीज शेयर सम नगेट्स अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू हैव बीन डूइंग, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो शायद आप जैसा काम कर रहे हैं वैसा कुछ करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट नो हाउ टू रीच देयर. और अब तो सोशल मीडिया की वजह से बहुत सारे लोग अपना काम सोशल मीडिया पे रख भी सकते हैं, बट सम ऑफ देम आर मे बी थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस कम है, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट. थोड़ा उसके लिए उसको लेकर आप गाइडेंस दे दीजिए और फिर लेट्स गो बैक टू द सॉन्ग्स.
I think it's very important. I think I've just heard this is some interview that I've been listening of Shankar Mahadevan sir, of course. Like, he's an idol for me. And he's also a person who's started off as an engineer in Oracle, and then, slowly and steadily moved into the professional aspect. So I remember he's saying that we always have to do the right things at the right time, at the right place, with the right things, with the right setup and everything.
Of course.
So we really have to be aware, alert, and conscious about the facts that we are, moving in, and try to always contribute to the situation. Very important to contribute to the situation, because that will definitely be, I'm sure it'll be heard towards whatever the intent is. So yeah, and I think with the moment your intent is clear and the contribution is there, I'm sure from A to B, B to C, things will definitely move in that direction. So yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to your गीतांतर. So आपने काफी सारे सॉन्ग्स का गीतांतर किया है, लेकिन कुछ होगा जो आपको बहुत मजा आया होगा, या थोड़ा आसान रहा होगा, या मे बी आपको धुन ज्यादा पसंद है, या लिरिक्स आपको ज्यादा पसंद है इसलिए इट्स लाइक वेरी क्लोज टू यू. ऐसा कुछ है क्या कि सारे बच्चे पसंद है?
Actually, सारे बच्चे पसंद है. It's very difficult. It's very, because anything that comes on to you and if you're able to hold on to it is something very close to your heart.
Yeah.
Actually, nothing. I'm not having something in the brain.
Okay. So let's listen to Lakdi Ki Kaathi.
In the college fest, a lot of people would sing Lakdi Ki Kaathi.
Okay.
On various songs. So that was a very hot song at that point in time, and we would also try to inculcate in the songs that we could do. So Lakdi Ki Kaathi पर काफी सारे experiments हुए हैं हमारे द्वारा. So the first one was you must have heard this song. पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताए जैसे, आहिर भैरव राग. तो उस पर अगर आप लकड़ी की काठी डालें तो किस तरह होगा? It will be like लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 देखो दुम दबा के दौड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा. घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई, नाई नाई घोड़ा पहुंचा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई, नाई जी ने घोड़े की हजामत जो बनाई, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा, लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा.
That's quite something. My God. So Rakhi Vaishnav here, she is asking, have you taken formal education in Indian classical music?
Yes, I've taken formal education in Indian classical music. Because घर में गाना रहा है, तो I've learned from mom and my mausi, and that's been more Carnatic since I come from a South Indian background. And since school and college, because Bollywood has been a great influence, that has, got into my music. And then I've learned from Vijaya Shankar. She's also a Bollywood singer and composer. And right now I'm learning from Pandit Shri Krishna Bhattji from Gwalior Gharana. And I've also learned for a very small time from Abhijit Ghoshal ji. He's also a very great singer. For a brief period, I was there with him and learned some things from him. But yeah, right now I'm learning from Pandit Shri Krishna Bhattji and trying to know the nuances of the Gwalior Gharana and Hindustani classical. Yeah.
So आपने ये जो सब अपनी creativity बहुत Facebook पे you were posting, that's how I also got to know about it. तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि किसी ने वो गाना गाया हो या बनाया हो या कोई in some or other way उस गाने से जुड़ा हुआ हो, उस पर्सन ने आपको कांटेक्ट किया, रिस्पॉन्ड किया?
Yeah, what happened was yeah, I have to share this of that ए क्या बोलती तू, जो लिरिक्स राइटर हैं नितिन रायकवर जी. तो he's one of the industry lyricist writer, and he tagged me and he came onto the Facebook and he said ए क्या बोलती तू is my song. I've written the lyrics. I was like, oh man, I hope I've not touched the wrong chord. But he was very happy. He was very supportive. He said, dude, you're doing a good job. And he acknowledged this kind of quarantine series of fun songs that was the concept. So very, very thankful to Nitin Raikwa ji. And that's how support has been coming. I actually wanted to mention one thing which I haven't mentioned probably in the last discussion also. When I first recorded Tantanat and Tantantara, and I posted on Facebook, I remember I generally record songs somewhere 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, because nobody is around and it's completely, peaceful. And so that was the time. So मैं क्या करता था, I would just probably record at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock and just go to sleep and post it. And then I would come to know whatever series. So when I posted Tantanat and Tantantara, I was really very thrilled and amazed to see the kind of feedback just on Facebook. I had not posted it somewhere else. So people started tagging, people started sharing, and I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है types, I mean, I was completely,
did not expect.
Completely, absolutely not. I definitely not expected this. And something came inside, a thought came inside me and it said, why don't you try and post it in Twitter too? And I have been on Twitter, but I have not been a consistent, I've tweeted since. I've never been that. So I put one of the nights, I just put it on Twitter, and every hour there were some 1,000 people viewing it. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ ये तो वो जो खेलते हैं ना वो games वो ऐसा वो, I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है? Something wrong. I said, let me go out. And then I came back, and within 12 hours or 11 hours, it had reached some 16,000 views just on my handle. And I don't know anybody. I don't have a follower base in Twitter at all. I don't know anybody neither. So I just have 112 followers right now. I started with 47.
Wow. Wow.
So this was like, something surreal is happening, I thought. Something different is happening. And I would really want to thank Varun Dhawan for this, because I had tagged Varun Dhawan on Twitter for this song. I tagged him along with other Anu Malik ji and other people, and he was such a sport guy. He reverted to me with a smile. So yeah, and he kept it on his Twitter handle. So I was like, oh man, matlab, you do something with a very pure intent, and somebody is giving you a reward. That's beautiful. So yes, he definitely helped this thing to probably move a long way that it has gone right now. So yeah, thank you, Varun Dhawan. Thank you so much wherever you are. I hope I could probably meet you sometime. I would love to.
You were saying that it was like something surreal and these things happened. So technically lockdown आपको तो मतलब आपके लिए बहुत ही शुभ रहा है, we can say that. And thanks to you हमारे लिए भी बहुत interesting हुआ है. कोई और गाना हमको सुनना है, please. I mean, I know the kind.
आपको गीतांतर सुनना है कि कोई नॉर्मल सुनना है ऐसे? What's your interest of?
गीतांतर तो हम फिर भी सुन सकते हैं. Sing something that is very close to your heart.
Something that is very close to my heart right now. When I said Shankar Mahadevan ji is breathless, so he completely gets me breathless. He's a legend.
He takes everybody away with that song. And
yeah, he's a legend.
Javed Akhtar and
oh man, it's huge. So this is my humble tribute from my side to Javed ji and Shankar ji. Wherever you are, please, thank you so much. To listen to. I hope you're able to listen to this. But my pure wishes are there, and this is for you. कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों के रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी महकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं, महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं, खोई हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं, बदली हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं, जागे उमंगे धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तूफान है, होठों पे नगमे, आंखों में सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे, जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था, दिल में समाया था, कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया, प्यार सी चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे, तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोहरे के पीछे होश में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है, जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और झांक रहा है, जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है, रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर है, जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही है, लहरों लहरों बात करे तो जैसे मोती बरसे, जैसे गई चांदी की पायल गूंजे, जैसे गई शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे, जैसे कभी चिपके सितारे बजाए, जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में खाए, जैसे कोई हौले से पास बुलाए, कैसी मीठी बात थी वो, कैसी मुलाकात थी वो, जब मैंने जाना था नजरों से कैसे पिघलता है दिन और आरज़ू पाती है कैसी मंजिल, और कैसे उतरता है चांद जमीन पर, कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग अगर है तो बस है यहीं पर, उसने बताया मुझे और समझाया मुझे, हम जो मिले हैं उन्हें ऐसे ही मिलना था, गुल जो खिले हैं ऐसे ही खिलना था, जन्मों के बंधन जन्मों के रिश्ते, जब भी हम जन्मे तो हम यूं ही मिलते, कानों में मेरे जैसे शहद से घुलने लगी, ख्वाबों के तरह जैसे आंखों में घुलने लगी, ख्वाबों की दुनिया जो कहने को थी और कैसी रंगी थी, ख्वाबों की दुनिया जो कहने को थी और कहीं भी नहीं थी, ख्वाब जो टूटी मेरी आंख जो खुली मेरी होश जो आए, मुझे मैंने देखा मैंने जाना वो जो कभी आया था नजरों पे छाया, दिल में समाया था जा भी चुका है और दिल मेरा है अब तन्हा तन्हा, न तो कोई अरमा है न कोई तमन्ना है, अब न कोई सपना, जो मेरे दिन और अब जो मेरी रातें हैं उनमें सिर्फ आंसू है, उनमें सिर्फ दर्द की रंज की बातें और फरियादें हैं, मेरा अब कोई नहीं, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें, मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं.
You have to do that too.
तो मैं हूँ और खोए हुए कुछ म्यूजिक की यादें हैं जो लॉकडाउन पर बाहर आ गई बस.
वाओ. और आपने इतना सारा काम किया है, आपने टेलीविजन और सीरीज वगैरह के लिए भी यू हैव गिवन योर वॉइस, आपको बहुत सारी तालियां बहुत सारे वाउज मिल रहे हैं.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
And I'm sure ये interviews IGTV पे भी होते हैं, they'll go on YouTube also, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to Google you and you are
Thanks
able
to
to
you.
get like
Thanks to Midday and thanks to you. Sure.
तो आपका जो भी जर्नी है उसमें कहीं कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि यू नो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट शंकर महादेवन यू नो दैट इज योर रोल मॉडल एंड बट कभी किसी से मिलना हुआ कोई कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ which has stayed with you, you know, like it's really precious for you types?
Well, I really look forward for a lot of precious moments, I'm sure, you know, and
Yeah.
this moment is precious that we're having a conversation.
Thank you.
So life is now at this point in time. So this is really precious for me. When I really moved down from the corporate atmosphere to this particular industry, there were a few special moments in terms of people who trusted me and gave me a break, gave me a chance to sing in the voiceovers and both. So I would really like to thank, one is Mr. Sundar Sethuramanji. He's the head of Voice Bank and Victory Films, and also Mr. Vijay Raghavan ji. Vijay Raghavan ji, he also really trusted me and started giving me work, and that when I really was starting from from this particular, when I was making that switch. So I really thank these two people in my lives for sure, and things started rolling from there. So yeah, that's a special moment for me. Yeah.
So you mentioned corporate life. So corporate life से एक ऐसे फील्ड में आना जो काफी uncertain है. How difficult that change was for you personally? मतलब अपने आप को कितना prepare करना पड़ा?
Because it was always at the back burner. Ki I have to do, and I was not doing it. So somewhere more than preparation, it was the fact that अब नहीं करोगे तो अब करोगे. It's काल करे सो आज करे, आज करे सो अब. So you can't just keep on putting it to one life you have, and you need to do something which you would want to do it. I mean, at least that would be the thought. And since because of the fact that the atmosphere has been there, in terms of music, and I've been associated with musical groups, organizations, spiritual groups, where we've been performing. I think all those things have really helped me in terms of building it up, because as I said, we're just a particle in this world. We try and get connected, and then it's the energy that is around us which helps us to take us to the next level. So yeah, it's the energy for all people around. Yeah.
So Randhir Vasavda is here asking that do you sing classical Baithaks etc.? Which rag is your favorite?
Rag bass is a very favorite rag of mine. Very favorite rag of mine, and if you allow me, I would just try to.
Please allow. You are here to sing.
Na na There's a song from Katyar Kalzar Ghusli by Shankar Mahadevan Sir ji.
Yeah.
तळहाताच्या रेषानी सहज सुखाका भोगी कोणी. तळहाताच्या रेषानी सहज सुखाका भोगी कोणी. स्वयं प्रकाशी तू तारा स्वयं प्रकाशी तू तारा चैतन्याचा गाभारा भर पंखातून स्वप्न उद्याचे भर पंखातून स्वप्न उद्याचे झेप घे रे पाखरा उजळून घे साध मन मंदिरा ते जाने उजळून घे साधका संवेदना संवादे सहभेद नादपताना मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा मन मंदिरा.
And if I'm not wrong, you have sung in like lot of languages, right? आपने बहुत सारी भाषाओं में काम किया है और आपको बहुत सारी भाषाएं आती भी हैं ऑलमोस्ट.
नहीं, बहुत सारी भाषाएं आती है कि नहीं वो पता नहीं, लेकिन इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी और इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी because I've been here and studied, and Tamil because that's been my mother tongue. And because of you are a Tamil, you always try to connect with those other 4 languages around you. That is Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. So that's somewhere that jalebi is always the same, types.
Wow.
So that's been one sector, and then hence because I've been brought up here, Gujarati, and Gujarati I would say because when I was 2 years old, my first time which I went to a creche or a Palnagar was a Gujarati house. So that was my first the what do you say introduction. Yeah, communication and introduction. So somewhere it just keeps into my ears and everything. So Gujarati and Punjabi because you have friends and you keep listening.
True.
And Bengali because my mom's Fufi used to be in Kolkata, and she was a very a great popular singer over there. Mangalam Mani Iyer करके Carnatic singer है. मतलब she's no more now, but वहाँ पर she would so hence Kolkata and a little bit of try and catching those Bangla.
Yeah.
But I would really be thankful to all these supervisors actually, if you ask me, because I don't know all those language or the lipic, जो ये होता है उसका script होता है. So it's completely you listen to them and you sing it. So yeah, supervisor is like my Krishna and I'm the Arjun. They take me within their rath and I'm able to deliver.
कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक आपने सीखा है, ग्वालियर घराना हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल आप सीख रहे हैं, रादर आई वुड से शार्पन कर रहे हैं उसको. कई भाषाओं में काम भी किया है, कई तरह का संगीत सुनते हैं. आपको खुद को कैसा संगीत बहुत पसंद है? मतलब इट्स नॉट वर्क, आपको अगर सिर्फ बैठ के सुनना है तो आप क्या सुनेंगे?
Yes, this entire cosmos of music is associated. I'm sure languages हैं, culture है, तो at a global level is the Western music which is very predominant in all aspects of our music. So Western music may beat infusion in terms of Carnatic, or a beat the way it is present in Bollywood, and so you can really try and find correlations of Western music and the Indian music. Actually, there are a lot of correlations because ये एक ही माँ के दो बेटे, if you ask me. It's just that कोई कहीं और पला बड़ा है और कहीं और पला बड़ा.
डोरेमी तो सारेगामा सब साथ.
Absolutely, you got it. Yeah, absolutely. So it's somewhere the same thing. It's just that it's been presented at different places by different people at different times. So these days I've been listening to a lot of English music, and especially during the lockdown period, and suddenly I can try and relate so many Indian songs to it. There is so much of correlation, and I'm sure that even in those days there've been very hummable tunes of English which they've tried to they've been influenced and worked out. So I remember I was just listening to this. I was listening to Elvis, and such a great artist. And he ये जो गाना है, wise men say only fools rush in, but I can tell, falling in love with you. So इसको so it's like, you know, ठंडी हवा ये चांदनी फिजाएं, है मेरे दिल सुना कोई कहानी. So it's so much. Yeah, very close, very close. So ऐसे ही है, like I remember we'd done this mashup. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you hear in my heart, and my heart will go on, and उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं. एक कर दो आसमान और जमीन, कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं. So yeah, something like.
So ek sur matlab, like they are so close that you can just go to the other song. Wow.
Absolutely.
Wow, that was great. And it's 6:55. That's what it shows on my phone. So we have 3 minutes more. So can you quickly? I'm being very greedy. I want to listen to something quickly, and then we'll let you go for your sham ka chai or coffee, filter coffee.
Okay. No, it's actually chai right now. Yeah, it's chai, masala chai. Yeah. What anything specific?
मतलब आपने तो गुजराती थाली जैसा कर दिया. मतलब now I'm like मैं क्या बोलूँ, आप ही choose.
I love Gujarati thali, by the way. I am in full love. Full love.
Okay.
It's the best dish that I can, really enjoy.
It's actually showing me 2 minutes, so I'm like.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
तो फिर तो ये चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, ओ कभी अलविदा ना कहना, ओ कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Thank you very much for joining in, and फिर मिलेंगे और गाने गाएंगे. Thanks a lot.
100%, definitely.
For joining.
Thank you.
Gujarati Midday. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for inviting, and look forward to see you very soon after lockdown.